lost in a moment when she's having the time of her life. My most authentic life.
Yes, everyone, Michael is finally back after ghosting for an entire year. I don't want to hear any more of, oh, Michael, where's the Morocco video? Michael, where's the New York video? Shush. As you can see, I'm not in Toronto right now, as this airport actually looks good. But yeah, I'm about to go on another amazing ass trip, and there's gonna be a banger video, even better music, even better visuals. So, without further ado, let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Can you play a song with a fucking beat?
Get it like what's on the bong. Get it hot like Papa John. Make a bitch go on and on. It's a phenomenon. I can do it with a broken heart. I know you want me, obviously. Pain has come and gone again. Sweet believe my protection, and now I totally get it. Forgot that inside that I can't live through a young girl from Essex. I could eat that girl for lunch. Yeah, she dances on the phone. It's like she might be my alibi. This time I want you, like it's magnetic. I know that I'm so true, yeah. All my love, I put that on my love to see. Why don't you stay here after hours?
Don't act like you ain't help me pull that bottle off the shelf. Get deep in every weekend if you couldn't tell.
Just all of this fucking me up. It's so confusing sometimes to be a girl. I know you don't wanna leave. You're lucky to be living in it. Oh what? I'm living it out and on.
You know what they say.
I think I've had enough of the water for now. I've already caused severe injuries to my dad, and we still got weeks to go. Now, if you're wondering why I'm bouncing around on my break, you must be new here. So, welcome, we're just getting started.
Think you the shit, bitch? You think I'm gonna fall for it? We gon' spin and kill. Deep in the spot.
You wanna bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hand. You wanna gas.
This
As you can probably tell from the music, this is the part of the video where we go clubbing or we go drinking. But unfortunately, Larry isn't here, and his replacement is a little bit less capable. Hello everybody, bye-bye. Yeah, so instead, we're just gonna chill and enjoy the music while it plays out. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Tight shit.
We clapping.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Listen, can you teach me Japanese? I said hi, hi.
Okay, I lied. It's time for some more water stuff. We're in Southeast Asia. It's basically half water. I also can't be bothered to add the name for the place that we're in right now, so next up, Halong Bay.
High heels on my tippies. Dough, say ain't Gabbana, that's on my titties.
Play the track fast, not slow. Pull it back twice, let's go. Swipe marks all on my coat. Snap and clap and touch your toes. Dance it out, you're hot to go.
These hoes don't be mad at Megan. These hoes mad at Megan's law. I don't really know what the problem is, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you scared, then just say that. Oh, enough is enough. Yeah.
Everybody at the bar getting tipsy.
Red, red light, that's the light. That's what you gonna do.
I'm also not sure what to call this next part in the video, because if I say Siem Reap, not everyone knows what that is, but if I say Angkor Wat, most people do. Anyways, Cambodia's up next.
Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me. That could my seat. High key.
I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is
Looks like you better spend the night. Looks like I'm about to change your life.
Miss Dolce, bitch, Miss D.O.E. Don Dada, bitch, you know test me.
From Jersey to Ibiza, 'cause it doesn't get sweeter.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty.
Begging on the knees to be popular.
You know I love to make you jump, 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 jump. You can have him anyway,
Girls just wanna dance.
anyway.
Girls just wanna dance.
I'm his main, I'm his side.
No broke boys, no new friends. I'm that bitch, you give me my 10.
There's a reason I walk like this.
O-V-ho. Say O-V-ho. But you can whip your lovin' on me. It's like, hey, step this way, step that way. Turn the music up.
This ain't Texas.
Oh, I leave quite an impression. You can say that we ain't nothing, but you know the truth, and guess what? And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling when I act this way. Hey, and it's true. Now I'm sure. Now I'm positive. I should go and warn her. I don't wanna call it off, but you don't wanna call it love.
With me in the middle, boy.
Okay, so it's that time of the year again. And if you're watching this, it's definitely in the future. But if you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you for being a part of my 2024. And here's to another great year. So Happy New Year's, everyone.
Can't see straight, just wait till I turn my love on. Wait till I turn my love on. Come on, 'cause baby, if you can't tell, don't think you'll get away. I will prove you wrong. I'll take you all the way. Boy, just come along. We can't be friends, but I'd like to just pretend. I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. Don't wanna say goodbye. Not tonight. Can you feel the light? When I get you alone, because I love and I love and I love and I love. I love is ruining my life. I love is ruining my life. The moment dark tonight, life's better outside. Got to break this pattern. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next. If it all ended tonight, I wake up back to the end of
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I had an amazing time making this video, and I was traveling as well. But all good things must come to an end, and this is it. So, till next time. Holy shit, it's so cold. How'd I go from 30-degree weather to this?